What's up guys, in today's video I am gonna be showing y'all how to install lemon loader slash melon loader. I don't know why, but yeah. So first go to open your browser, then go to github.com slash lemon loader slash melon loader. Oh, get HB. Okay, I messed up. No, come on. Loader. Melon loader. You. Oh, you should be on this page. Scroll down. Or maybe don't. Oh, press that release thingy, and right here, you'll see the com.lavagang.melonloader.installer.apk. So I forgot to tell y'all, but you also need CX file explorer or how's it called again? Or Z archiver. So I have both, but I'm gonna do CX file explorer. So go to CX file explorer, downloads, and then right here you'll see this. Don't even see. I tried to like do this, but I couldn't get for Roma, but I couldn't get it, so just ignore it. So press this, and this will come up. I don't think you'll see this, but you wanna press install. Then press open. Then press manage all files, and then allow the stuff. Allow it. So now, as you can see, you'll have this. And congrats, you had successfully installed lemon loader or melon loader. I don't know however you want to call it. I don't know. Well, yeah, you have it. But by the way, this is a patcher. You gotta select a thing, and yeah. Permissions is basically what you actually let it. But yeah, you don't actually need a PC, so you can do it straight from your headset. Well, yeah, you have all those stuff. You can, and then, oh my god, I can't speak. You select an app. You press patcher, and then it will like inject the stuff into here. Just make sure it doesn't say like this unsupported thing, so it actually lets you do it. So let's see this, and yeah, I'm not gonna do it, but hang on, let me get to the mirror. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!